This is a Mercedes Sprinter van. It's a brand new. The customer just got it. It's 600k on it, and they asked us to remove the cameras from the old van and install it onto this new one. And it took a bit of digging here to figure out how to install things. It's not hard installation, but I ended up installing the DVR behind the driver and passenger seat, so the customer can access the box. So I'll show you how the final installation looks like. And I had to run some wiring here for the cameras, and this one comes out during the airbag deployment. So if you have two airbags, you have to make sure the wires are not in the way when they pop out or when they inflate. And this one comes down and it's attached with magnets. It's a very ingenious system. So right here is magnet, and magnet, and this one will kind of push out, and you have to be aware of where you run the wires every time you work around airbags. So airbag, so you make sure your wires are not impeding the airbags deployment. And yeah, so there a fuse box which is under the passenger foot, so you have to kind of figure out which fuse you use. And this is not a common installation, that's why I'm not giving you instructions step by step. I'm showing you some of the kind of uncommon installations we do. And again, wires, and we record the driver and the passenger. So driver and passenger, so we choose different type of view angle because we want to record the driver action as well if the driver gets attacked. So this is a specialty car that carries drug needles for drug exchange needles program in Vancouver, and it's a difficult job for the drivers. Also, we installed the panic button. I'm not going to show you where it is, but that's so this is just my adapter, and all the screws are security type of screws, so nobody can get unless they have the security bit. And of course the van is locked and doesn't look bad at all. It's easy to access, so with the key they will be able to take out the cover, access the hard drive. You can access the recordings through here, or you can unlock with different key, unlock the hard drive and pull it out. So that's a Xeon type of system. Okay, so DVR installation in a van.